Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Wahai
wabarakatuh.
Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
Okay. Hi guys. How are you today?
I'm fine,
I'm
thank
good,
you.
Miss.
Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. Okay guys, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. I know if you all on here is being sad because of coronavirus, I wish you all here always be healthy and sequent from virus, but we must always be grateful we'll still given by God healthy so we can study via Zoom meeting. Okay, today we will learn about atoms, element, molecule, and then compound and mixture. I will start share screen. Can you see? Can you see?
No,
Not yet.
Not yet, Miss.
yes, Miss, I can see. I see.
Okay. Today we will learn about atoms, molecule, elements, and mixture. So, basic competencies have 2 points. Okay, 3.3, understanding the concept of mixture and single substances, element and compound, physical and chemical changes in everyday life. And then 4.3, present the result of investigation about physical change and chemical change or the separation of mixture. Okay. Course learning outcome. First, student can define and classify familiar substances as elements, molecule, or compound, and then mixture. And student can explain in detail the difference between a pure element, molecule, or compounds, and then mixture. Okay, look at the picture. What is it? Can someone to answer? Anissa, Aulia? What is it?
This is major, Miss. Yeah, B.
What is matter? Afni?
Matter is anything that has mass and volume.
Okay, good. Before start, let's play a game to test your knowledge. Wait. Okay. Please answer the question. Part 1. Part 1. Circle of the following items that are classified as metal. Okay. Please answer. Intan?
Water, then salt,
Yes.
carbon dioxide gas.
Hmm. And then?
Enough, Miss.
Hmm.
Enough. I think
Okay.
enough.
Good job, Intan. Energy and light are non-metal because they are metals. And then part 2. Can someone answer my question? Please, Teguh.
Yeah, Miss. Mm, Number 1, water is element.
Hmm?
Then number 2, salt is compound.
Hmm?
Then number 3, milk is element. Number 4, gold is element. And number 5, oxygen is molecule.
Oh, applause to Teguh.
Thank you,
Okay.
Miss.
Water. Water is an element. No, water is not an element because water is matter, but it is not element, as it has two types of atoms. Now we know water is not an element, it is a compound. And then number 2, salt. Salt is compound. Yes, you're right. And then milk. Milk appear to be homogeneous, but when examined in under a microscope, it clearly can size of tiny globule of fat and protein. This space in water. And then gold is element and oxygen is element. Good job. And then part 3.
Aulia, sorry, can you approve mistake?
Oh, okay, Miss. Saya lanjutkan ya, Miss.
Okay, go on.
Okay. And then part 3.
Yes, please.
Please wait. Okay. Part 3. Please answer, Lily. Lily.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Please answer.
For um for A is compound, B is compound, C is element, and D molecule.
Okay. Good, Lily. Thank you. Oh. This is a diagram of element, compound, and mixture. So number 1A, the diagram is showing a molecule of a compound. And then B, the diagram is showing a compound of a mixture. And C, the diagram is showing a compound of a mixture. And D, the diagram is showing a molecule of an element. And then matter. Matter is anything. So everything all around us is matter. Example, water is also matter. And then the air is also matter. The clothes that you're wearing, your book, your bag, your home, you yourself are all made up of atom and made up of matter. Sorry. But we see there are different types of matter, like air is different from water. Water is different from book. Book is different from your clothes, and so on and so forth. Okay, next. So there are different type of matter, and each distinct type of matter has only one type of atoms. The distinct type of matter are known as elements. For example, oxygen only has oxygen atoms. Nitrogen only has nitrogen atoms. Copper only has copper atoms. Gold only has gold atoms. So there are all different types of matter and different elements. All elements having some type of atoms. So we can say atoms is the smallest unit of elements. You know that atoms consist of a nucleus, proton, and neutron, but we will see the detailed structure of the next section. Okay, we will learn about element, molecule, compound, and mixture. Now, let's focus on what is an element, molecule, compound, and mixture. Okay. What is element? Niza, do you see me?
Yes, Miss. Element is made up of one type of atom only.
Excellent. Thank you, Niza.
Thank you,
And
Miss.
then, next, what is molecule?
Intan, Miss.
Then answer my question. Okay, Intan,
Intan.
please.
Molecule is the simplest form of matter.
Good. And then, what is compound? Compound is a substance made up of two or more atoms of different elements chemically joined or bonded together. For example, water, water and carbon dioxide gas. What water is consists of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atoms. Okay, and carbon dioxide gas consists one carbon atoms and two oxygen atoms bond together. And then mixture. Mixture is material made up of two or more different substances which are not chemically combined, like milk. Okay, and then periodic table. This is the periodic table, and all 118 types of elements are distinct type of metal. They are listed in this table. Every element has been given a symbol Ca. Ca stand for calcium, and then Cu stand for copper, and E and then E stand for nickel, O stand for oxygen, AU stand for gold, and so on and so forth. And every element has the same type of atoms only. For example, copper will only have copper atoms, nickel will only have nickel atoms, oxygen will only have oxygen atoms. Next. Okay, last. Okay, next conclusion. What you get from our learning session today? Can someone say the conclusion about our topic today, please?
Nisa, Miss.
Okay, Nisa.
An atom is the smallest particle that can exist. Everything is made from atom. An element is made up of one type of atom only. For example, a piece of pure copper is made up of only of copper atom. And a compound is a substance made up of two or more atoms of different element chemical chain together. And a molecule described two or more atoms bonded together. And a mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are not chemical combined. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, applause for Nisa. Okay. Atoms is the smallest particle that can exist, and element is made up of one type of atom only. A compound is a substance made up of two or more atoms of different elements chemically joined or bonded together. A molecule described or describe two or more atoms bonded together, and mixture is the material made up of two or more different substances which are not chemically combined. Okay. Last quiz. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready,
Okay.
Miss.
Ready.
I will share my quiz. Okay. Okay. You see the quiz?
Not yet.
Not yet, Miss.
Okay. Then use your smartphone to open and join myquiz.com and open the link via web browser and then enter the game code. Game code is 3 9 5 6 5 2 8. Okay. Please wait. Okay. I can repeat. I can. Mm, Please wait, yes. This is trouble. Okay. Do you see? Uh, can you see my quiz?
Yes.
Okay. Join my quiz and then enter the game code 8118280889. Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Okay. I will start. Okay, how many different atoms are there in a compound? Wow, Hilde. Next, which of these contain two carbon atoms and six hydrogen atoms? Wow, Hilde and Lotfi. Okay, next, which one is a compound? And then, approximately how many elements are there? How many? Okay, Hilde. What substance is made from only one type of atoms? Oh, okay. Okay, Wisma. And then, yeah, who won? One is Wisma. Applause for Wisma, Hilde, and Rizka. Okay, I give a 3 point for Wisma, Rizka, and Hilde. Okay, guys, less than 1 minute before finish. Let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, don't forget to send your interactive worksheet, and the next meeting we will learn about physical and chemical things. See you next time, guys. Thank you.
See you.
See you, Miss. Thank you.
See you, Miss.